Yeah, man, public report, you know what I mean? Hey, Richard Brown Films, Paradise Nation. Officer Smiley, Smiley. You know we ain't smiling for free, Officer Smiley, yeah. What's really going on? When you see me working, there still gotta be hustling. When you see me working, you know you gotta pay a fee. Don't come around my way if you're not willing to pay. Officer Smiley don't play, no, 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 no. Officer Smiley, Smiley, ain't no smile for free. Officer Smiley.
Call the cars. You know, I reach out people them yard and can't go in. Motor road. I can love your life. Yeah, hello, Mr. Johns. Good afternoon, sir. At the Browning, we're at the place. I hope somebody around there to give us a key car with the near now when Elena come. Oh, alright then. We're coming. Alright, thanks. Come on, come on. Yeah, Mr. John, you know, so reach at the house, but we don't see nobody. Oh, just pull the gate. Alright then. Alright. Oh, God. You're too lazy. Come on. Come on. Oh, God. Yes, thank you, Jesus.
Front room, what? Front room.
No, which front room? But I don't want to go to there. Other people in front of the side, so they might say brown door. So that means that door, they one room, so you want front room. That'll go pick me. No rent pay. One. Boy.
Finally.
I have a lot of cleaning to do, Jada. No, no. But all your laziness, you know, make sure you help me. Ah, finally. Finally. So you cook up now people them say tea already?
Sister, I'm tired, you know.
Come, let's put the wood back. Come. Go back in the room. Check out the room. Come, put them. No, stop. Please, that people tidy up you. Yeah. What kind of situation them?
It look nice too.
Did that look nice?
Yeah.
Oh man. Let's get to work.
Me hungry.
Why you get hungry, so?
Me hungry.
What's up? You know something my glimpse and shop up on the front there, so you didn't see it? You want to go buy one drink, because I know I'm thirsty, you're not hungry so quick. Go on. Because me there, I'm not buy nothing till later. Go on, man.
150?
You have drinks out there for 150 or water. Go on, Jada.
Me not drink soda.
No, let me do what I do, yeah. Hurry up, man, and go help me.
I want tropical redeem, me want.
Jada, that can buy the tropical reading.
have money.
Oh God. When you don't know money come, so no stay. You go on. Alright. Sir.
Welcome, slimmers. You know some of the soda?
No, sir. Sir,
You know some running shop, bro?
free shop.
Yes, sir.
Excuse you?
Alright, you can see who coming here.
Are somebody here, look?
No, me just like a friend.
No, I'm a friend.
You look like you're new in that community, you know. A long time there, you know.
Well, look here, I don't want no friend from you, you know. Not because I come in a community. You're in a community. I'm not a friend from you.
Okay, my name is Money Idol. And I did here a long time, I don't hear enough things about me. You understand?
So that have to do with me.
If you can know, say, you can come and check me when you want me. Help.
It's all you know easy.
I'm not easy. You ever find somebody hard?
What that have to do with me? Serve, serve. Serve. Come camera the conversation here, you know. Serve. Come on back of water, please.
Water cold.
Cool. Camera the conversation with your man over here, so. Money Island. Thank you.
I will surely see you one day. I want a slim girl, if you come whining on my lap, whining on me, whining on me, whining on my lap. Because
How do your face make it look so?
I'm gonna just go buy one water and this man, I don't even know him my name, but money, but some money like that so in name. I torment me soul.
How am I torment you?
But me sexy and all these things and I tell me what he will see me around here.
Yeah. So that make your face so awesome? You think of somebody licking your face now me have to go to go mash up somebody. Yeah, frighten me no girl. Sure. I thought if I come go to the kitchen go see what I want cause first time doing it like we have some plate to wash. Come on. Come now, me not tell you see if you go the laziness. Sure.
You know what? Eh? You know me? You better don't know me. Go home. Young man, you have a permit to play football? You have a permit to play football?
yes, sir.
Soon that is going to be the case around here, you know. Where you just a while ago? Wait, where you say Arthur?
You know some ears just got your boy, Papi.
Pick it up.
Pick up what?
Pick up the buckle.
Pick up what?
Who you talking to? You know my name, boy?
Oh, no, no, this a big pants. Police boy.
You want to know me?
I know
Pick up the
you. Me
buckle.
even
Pick up
know
the
your
buckle.
family.
You know my family? You don't know my family. Wrong somebody. Pick up the buckle before you have problems here. My name is Officer Smiley.
Me see smile on your face.
No worry about it. Pick up the buckle, sir, before you're in a problem. This is gonna be the first arrest of the day if you push things to the different level.
Arrest for the day.
Pick up the buckle. Have a good day.
You know say you arrest the wackle right now.
What is your name? Hey, what is your name?
Money idol boss.
Money Idol.
Boss.
It's the first I'm seeing you on this lane.
Okay.
Eh?
You sure say you don't know me.
Me don't know you.
Okay.
Alright, Money Idol. Go and hold your idol. See right there. That man, see right there. Everything good. You gonna know me. Hold yourself.
Me know you.
Angry
So
bango.
me do it party every night, you know.
Party every night? Alright, you stay right there and cool out. Don't follow me. Cause me get nervous when people. Hey, I said don't follow me. I said go back, yes sir. Me get nervous when people follow me. Go back and sing over there, sir, man.
You see it, you know, watch your neck, you know. Watch your neck. Them they hear they might kill you for your neck.
Hey, I check me.
Checking you.
I check me.
You don't hear me name?
Hey,
Money idol boss.
I check me. That's so put your ground. That's so put your ground. Me? You know me more. Go down and go. Come flat. You want trouble in that place, yeah? Back up. I need some help down here. I left my gun in the office. This little boy named Money Idol. I want you to come lock him up. Back up. Hello. Hello.
Oh, I'm saying so. This is now be a police boy. Go like for man.
Now I'm beat. You gonna see who now I'm beat. All right. Yep. Where's your forward? Officer Smiley, you forward? Officer Smiley going for lunch? I don't know. All right. Send somebody fast. You feel it's a joke thing. You want to know me? You have damn phone and I'm going to damn pocket. Come on, get up. You laugh, you think a joke. You're first lock up video. Come in.
Yeah, man. Public report, you know what I mean? Hey, Richard Brown Films, Paradise Nation. Officer Smiley. You know we ain't smiling for free, Officer Smiley.
Young lady.
Yeah.
Some minute, get time, please. Some minute, please. My name is Officer Smiley. And I'm on duty right now, just running around the area. But can I ask you a few questions, miss?
Yeah, man.
That house you're coming from, that used to occupy, well, some people occupy the place, the premises, by the name of Candy and Big Boy. Do you know them?
Listen, I don't know nobody name so.
So you are the only person living over there?
Yeah, me and my big sister.
Your big sister, so why the attitude, ma'am?
Yeah, come and question me.
Question. All right, so you're telling me that Candy doesn't live over there?
Me don't know who name Candy.
All right, so you are living over there?
Yes.
And your name is? What is your name, ma'am? I'm a police officer, you know.
So what that have to do with me?
A police officer meaning that I am the law. Whatever I say goes. Understand? So what is your name, ma'am? Because if you don't tell me your name, I can call backup, because backup is supposed to be on the way. I don't know what's the problem, and you can be in problem.
Call him, because me not tell him my name. Call him.
You not call him?
No.
Oh, you not tell me your name? What did you say? Boy, today's gonna be a rough day, you know.
I saw you come here and look.
So me come here and look. You see people like you, who push badness in our community, you know. And you see badness when I push in our community, it just go cause one big thing where everybody go lock up down round so. That you want?
Me tell you this here. You see, on the stretch me run you say here. Badness here.
What do you mean say you run this up?
And me run the stretch here. Badness here.
That you say?
And that me I say.
Alright, let me say it again. My name is Officer Smiley. And I like to do my job, you know, and customers like you make my place very fruitful and, you know, colorful. So if you want to take it the next angle, it's no problem. Because my job is my job and that's how I get paid. You understand what I'm saying? So you need to do your next best. What is your name, ma'am?
I don't have any name.
You don't have any name?
No. For your shoes even match your uniform.
Alright, you see where we're going right now? Normally, I don't like to be rough with women. But you act like a man, so this is going to be an exception. So I have no other option but to do my job. And my job is what I do best. So let me tell you something, ma'am. You see, I have to go and take you down there. Who is responsible for you? Come on, over here, you live? Come.
My big sister now.
Your big sister in the house? I know you have to talk about big sister. Big sister! What your big sister name? You think say me a joke?
Share!
Cher! Hello, Cher! She brown or she black?
She brown.
She brown? Mm-hmm. Yes, it is.
What's the Lord God, Jane? Now we get yourself in a...
Listen to me, miss.
Lord Jesus, so
Yes.
what you do, officer?
Listen to me, ma'am. There's no reason to act like this. I want peace and
Jesus.
I don't want any trouble today. I already lock up somebody up the road and today is not a good day. Jade? Jade and him? Okay.
Jade.
So you're responsible for Jade?
What kind of problem you get yourself in a Jade? Me tell you to stay in a yard because we knew we don't want you walk up and down in a community.
Yeah, man,
Little
girl. About my business and stop me a question me.
Respect
Me
the
stop
officer,
it.
little girl.
Listen to the elder.
Jesus
You
Christ.
see, that's why you're a child? Huh? All right, ma'am, I can see,
My name is Sherika, officer.
okay, I can see that you are nice, you're a nice, yeah, young lady.
You make the officer ask them. Little girl, come
please,
go in
sir.
my house.
No, I have to talk to her first. You understand? Because I don't want her to think that I'm a joke and she's playing with the officer. My name is Officer Smiley. And you're going to forever remember that. And you're going to have respect. You understand me? You can smirk your face all you want. But I am the person that takes care of badness in this community. You understand me?
Take time with her, officer. My little sister. Take time with her. My mother gone left with. So I'm in charge and I beg you, take time with her, sir, please. And sorry, me apologize on her behalf.
I'll give you a chance, you know.
Little girl have manners. Jesus Christ.
Go on in. Go on in.
So let me go
Come
now.
in my house. If I never want thing, hey. Officer.
ma'am.
A people like we make it work, boy.
When me people like when I'm going to work, what's your talk, boss? Excuse me, ma'am, sure. Just give me a second. I'm going to have a talk with you out here, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. My name is Officer Smiley. It's a pleasure to
Yes,
meet
sir.
you. You know, based on your first impression, I know that you are a very nice young lady,
Yes, officer.
and I would like to come here just to say hi on a regular basis to
Yes.
make sure the place is alright.
Yes, ma'am.
I
You feel
realize.
safe with you, officer.
Yes, I like that. You know, I want you to feel very safe with me, all right?
So, officer, why you are about me, so, officer?
No, it's a part of saying thank you,
Okay.
and I appreciate the fact that you understand what is happening here. All right, so can I get a number?
Sir, why you want my number?
I want to call to make sure, cause you look like you can run this community, you know, and without
Why?
people like you, I can't have a community under control.
So,
Understand me?
So, like you want to give me a job, officer?
That is possible too, you know.
Ah,
Give me a number.
give
and
me
we
a number.
talk.
Right away.
Put your number in her phone.
Don't give me number.
Look at you, go in. Hey. She a last bit, you know, so she not no manners. I know say last bit they always spoil.
Tell you, I can't
But I
understand.
go turn her like a ripe breadfruit.
All right, ma'am. Thank you very much. And your name is Cher?
Sheriff
Officer
Jane.
Smiley. Officer Smiley.
Officer, anyway you see her on the road again, no afraid to brush her little backside.
Okay.
Alright,
I'll be
respect.
coming inside soon. All right.
Okay,
Well,
officer, manners.
I'll be coming here very soon. All right.
Manners and respect.
All right. So you, Jade, remember saying, you know, the system. Follow the system. All right. All right, Jade. All right, Cher. We'll see you. Because
Yes, by my oath. Jesus Christ.
Hello? Yeah, man, everything good, man. I've been having a good day so far. The customers are, as usual, misbehaving and, putting in some work. But, I was wondering this thing. Talking to a little girl earlier on, and she said to me, I think her name is Jade. Jade or whatever the case may be. She said to me, she shocked me, and I had me thinking now. Basically, if there's no badness in the community, I would have no job. And you know how me go with my money. And the little money that me get already from the Big Boy and Candy place, it done. So me really, I think about this thing seriously, because if badness stop in the community, what is there for me? No job. And the chief sent me down in this area. Huh? Create badness in the I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do just that. You know this idiot I just lock up called Money Idol? Yeah. Yeah, man. Very disrespectful. I think he's a very high potential candidate for this job. Yeah, man, I'm gonna release him. Yes, man. Yes. Alright, that's my plan. Alright, we shall talk.
Thank you very much.
Jada. Jada. Oh God, I'm nice. Jada. You can do a one morning.
What going? You good?
You know, say from last night, me call it, but me drop asleep, man, me tired. So I go on. Oh, anyway, me call if you thank you for introduce me to Mr. Johnny because the place really nice.
You're welcome, man. You know, say me and a friend for a long time, so anything you ask me to do for you, me try my best and do anything at all for you. As long as I know nothing bad.
But tell me something. When you were over here, when you were live over here, when you were involved in all the wrongdoings or so, come here tell us a candy for me reach as me reach, you know? A police at my gate.
Oh? What you mean? What you mean when if a police are come there so?
Yes, have a Jada in her hand like she a give problem because you know Jada rude her then. And me tell her little girl they say, if you turn in her yard, me wake up now me can't find her. Me tell her if you turn in her yard, come me want to all house come tumble on for me and say no.
Me not understand. The only police me know come there so. I want little idiot police boy where always look me name Officer Smiley. Me can't stand him. In torment. Me can't walk good in my yard. This man turn up every time. When I'm son in come they talk to me about, I mean they look fun and they admire me. You come like you know no woman.
So what make you not trust him? When do? Talk to me man, can I come and say me missing out for everything, you know? When do?
Let me tell you something if you don't know about that the police boy there. He love brown girl. Worse if you have tattoo on and you look good. Nobody want him, time when they look me too. So if you have any intention say you go want him, don't there with him. Oh me? Me and a friend too long for you to know me. Me no want him. If me go chat to that the dirty police boy there near me and near me mouth and he look like he don't have no money. No, you can't look for a man and know when they have money from when they not have none. As somebody man look for you, run him out of here. That's so used to do when they used to live there. Come there every time.
Alright then, we chat personal then.
No worry yourself, man. Come check me, man. Me you can sit down and chat. Yes. Alright. I go check for him, big boy. Because he's big and lazy and craving and see hot me for him. Nothing can turn in the house because he's greedy and lazy. I don't see if he's in bed.
Alright then friend, big up yourself here. Yeah man, I go get up go look for the little girl and come and say. Father God. Alright, look more. Jada! Why me I tell you man, come here little girl. What do you know?
Yeah. Paradise Nation, Richard Brownfield. Oh, big boy, playing with your trucks tonight. Hey, big boy, when you gonna
Big
get
boy,
it right?
get up out of bed. Get up out of the bed. Where they do from man in the bed sun hot, big and lazy. Get up out of bed. Get up out of bed. Get up. You too out that they sleep with everything by the bed. I saw you always say for a long time. And no, we can't take it no more. You know, so I need to fuck you once and you go on boarding school. Because you give me too much talking. You know that? Me need to pack you up and send you away right now. Me can't take it no more. All you do is watch out. You gonna live life. You have to pay a bill in ya. You live out hard and no more. Take out your clothes then. Take them out. Put on your clothes. Me tired of you now. Me can't take it no more. Where is the clothes them the night? How is this? Empty drawer. So you have your dirty clothes and pull them out the door. Let me tell you something. You not stay with me one more day. You need to go boarding school. Me tired of you. Me tired of you. Big boy, come here. Come here.
Mommy.
You not tired to get lick? You how much now?
Me don't want to go, mommy.
You don't want to go? You better go. Because if you stay around me, you're not going to like the lick them when I go. You see lick them when I hug you? They name dreadful. So if you want to get dreadful, stay with me. Me can't take you no more because I don't want to rise up my blood pressure. You're too little and bad. Look how much o'clock now. Big boy, can you imagine? Look at the sun. And lazy people lay down in a bed when sun hot. Big and lazy. You're too lazy. You're too lazy. Pack up your clothes then. Pack up your clothes. You can't take it no more, man. Them man blast after all. You know how me they want you. Me can't take it. Me can't take this no more. No more. Me can't take it no more. Take up your sitting and put Carol in the bag. Which one? Yo. Put on your clothes. Me tired of you. Tired of you, man. Tired of you. Me can't take it no more. Fake of you. Look at the backside. Get up. Get up. Get up. That's only you want. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up, man. You're too out harder. When they push you down, look at your big and frame and your name so much and feel like drop. That means say you're big and no use. I saw you weak. Suppose they push me down. Look how you out harder though. Lie down in a bed like a tourist. I walk your figure look. Watch him. I know he can't dress himself. See how you're big and craving clothes and can't fit you. Take up his suitcase and come out. Come out. Go out. No, I'm not going to tell you. So you put on a big business video. Call him do your bed. Big and nasty on the backside. At the bed you can't pray. Out harder. Can't take for your style, man. All you do, I give them people work. Work every day. Dirty up the place. Pull up the bed. Lay down and sleep like some big lazy nasty man. Can't bother with your man and your mouth everything when you see me with. You damn lazy man. Lazy. Send you to boarding school, I can't take you no more. Because you're a big man, you will sit me and you. Oh, you're not done? Oh, you're done? You're lucky. I will go give you a little seat there, one like you're a big man. Put on your shoes. Make sure you send me call. The taxi man will always scare me up to come for you. Because I don't know give him the full info about you. You know which boarding school you are going. I'm going to come for you right now. You're too out harder. Right. Yes, I can be. You remember this something one minute I talk to you about? Yes man, no most about big boy. Me no want you nothing from you. No one know if you tell me about big boy. Me grow big boy. Me know about big boy. Me can't take it no more. Me I beg you please. Me don't pay your money already. Come feel. What you say? You depend on whether do something what time you go finish. Because the boarding school when I talk to you about, me I send him them. I don't call the people them and talk to them about him already and they expect him. Okay, so come feel. Me can't take this no more, man. No. You can't give no chance. Cause anyhow, me give no chance. Police will come for me because I will lick him. Hard too. Alright. Yeah man. Alright. Sit down right this and don't come back in our house. Big boy, the taxi man come right at breadfruit tree, see breadfruit tree. I don't know where far you they go, you know your road, see them, you can't turn right to sun so when him pick you up. One down there so go turn up and wait for him.
Candy!
Turn up and walk. too bad, me can't manage him. Go on down there so to me taxi man.
Oh, wait, where I send him go?
I must go in school.
You what?
Me can't manage big boy no more.
Ah, God, then I say him get bad.
I so fast I catch up here. Top shot
Yeah,
go
me
big
get
boy.
drive
bad
up
like
there,
how.
so me come on.
Him bad. So, feel. Yes, when you come back, you pick him up for me. Yes, so they take too long. Alright. You think you're gonna reach already? Watch him gonna be so gonna let us mad before he take up big boy.
Can't do that for people, come on.
They want him to take up big boy and
Oh, a big boy driver.
I taxi that if you can't take him up.
Oh.
Go on.
Yeah. Paradise Nation, Richard Brownfield. Oh, big boy, playing with your trucks tonight. Hey, big boy, when you gonna get it right? Mama cry, when you gonna get it right? Oh, Candy, she say, one thing she said, the bells are gonna work. It a gonna help you fit do your homework. You see that little boy named Chucky, being friendship really now work. Big boy, when you gonna get it right? Oh, big boy, playing with his drugs, everything seems alright. Hey, just the other day, police start checking on the lane. Hey, whilst that boy preaching, the words not reaching. Now go for your church, boss. Not Both you a check for me, sister. No, one go check your prime minister. Make him fix all the system a twister. But you are part of the system what we fix up. Hey, step away. Oh, step away. Whoa.
Come here. You're thirsty?
Bad.
Alright, I can sit down right here, so.
Alright.
Yes, you want water?
Very cold.
Alright. If you tell about it, girl, me not so too long bed before you come here. And you come like me down bed.
I tell you, there's a sweat scene there.
So what going on?
Me I tell you, over the house now. Over the nice and quiet time with me, But me I tell you, as me reach, and this policeman me see, me inside no hear somebody call, sister. When I go out there, the police hold on banjo, the same policeman with trim round sound him, locks up and so brown end, and he kind of cute, But me don't know, me just feel like me well protected when he's around. For real. Left him alone, man. My day job.
Right now, you make me get hot, you know, so you make me ask you. The one little talk you talk about, and then kind of cute, and then, oh, there. Be careful where I said about the policeman there, but you like him and this, and you know much girl end up fight a road sake of him. That the man they not deal with one woman.
And I hear his name, Officer Smiley.
You know how much time girl got jail sake of him? And he lie, can't done. He always, listen, anytime he put no argument, I'm not fact, he put no argument to you?
No, but me feel like he them I go do it.
Well, anytime he put no argument to you, and you ain't tell us saying no man, I like to tell. Because he when they look me too, you know? He when they look me too.
Me I tell me on the phone,
But
Me not really talk about the looking part still. You see, because me new to the area, my little sister, I don't know how go and me kind of feel protected.
You know,
I come around.
you better get all to the area. Act like you lived a long time and when you just come there. The policeman, they are general. He can't be trusted. No make him come nowhere you do away. Because
So
if you take little more from this, he can charge in your house and go take up somewhere where no one belongs to him.
I
Alright, stay there.
Anyway, still, what me I say? No farmer wrongdoings used to go on them. Really want to know about that because somehow me just feel say something about that area, the other house. Them, I don't know.
Wrongdoings?
Yeah, like any little wrongdoings where you know about and you not tell me.
I don't know about no wrongdoings. I mix one come mix me up.
Me want Jed, you know. Can't do me want Jed. Jed not here. As dear like Jed pick up out that house.
Look here,
man.
you see that the little girl the way you call your sister?
God help him.
And Kim come like it a catch a fire.
I'm going to tell her.
Every time I see the lie, I say it, and so him take up in the ear. Every time I see the girl, see na, and him take up in the ear. Like I said, she look the man instead of the man look her. She better be careful before man breed her. Else you it a go left man and me no want you come call me asking for nothing cause me can't help you that the way them. We help you, but help you and your sister? No, me can't do it.
Can't do me want her. Because she does a push out her body for purpose. I think say, I know she out a man she want. Me talk to her, you know. Me talk to her.
So what me they tell you, so you did notice her too? There, every minute, like a bike back she depend. That little girl you need to put her on the manners.
I go out there, I see the policeman hold her up. I say, seriously, I think she go do wrong because her mouth no giant church.
Where you just say, rewind and up. I see her Smiley hold up.
Honey hands on she let me go. I saw she a Jada.
I wonder if I look Smiley are looking.
Because
the man they don't know himself, you know.
I don't know still, but told me see whole him and no looking thing, a discipline thing.
Me can't wait to see dirty officer Smiley. That dirty boy, we used to come over me and come perplex me and me pitney life. Every minute me come, me have to run him out. Like seriously, he's still in the community there. You see why me left from there?
Him not migrate, alright, they say man like a plant them
Around there live.
Plant them because as daylight officer Smiley they pan the lane.
I wonder if I chew enough girl they pan the lane make
You
him
see,
come around. They not do no work, you know. A woman him alone.
Say if little boy look at him too hard, he would have carry them down.
Yes, he know one thing with him though. He know funny. A big girl they run at the lane, that's why I come around there. But as he look at him why them all when they not do nothing, go lock them up. You know say one wicked policeman.
Me hear about that part of the truth.
But they didn't know where I want to lock up my son. Me have to run him out of my yard.
what?
See, what you mean for what? The man come there with one piece of story long from right as about straight to Kingston. I know the story can done. Me have to get him out of my yard. And you know send me no ramp already, you know. Cause me not care whether I'm a police or I'm a thief. Me don't care. Me run him out of my yard. Cause me now make no boy come in my yard going to about my son. You mad? You don't lock up my son, you have to lock up me too. And you can't explain yourself why you lock up my son. You're not going with him.
That makes sense.
You have your one picnic. Well left in your life. I make one next man come there just unlock him up to tell if you don't know fake police. Cause I don't know what kind of policeman that
He no
is.
fake man.
Every minute he come there and come tell me this and that. I don't know you're not in front of
He no fake. He no
He
fake.
can't even talk to the woman when them way my devil. And you ain't want to come back up to my
You
son.
just did one who say no wrong business. Because that make me so anxious to go and talk to your cause.
10 tour in a one. Remember me, I warn you. Be careful of that little girl where you call your sister. You hear me I say? Cause Officer Smiley and one easy man.
Alright. Yeah man, me you I say.
Jada, your sister, body don't go look the clean up, but remember say she old.
Yeah man, me have be careful Candy. Remember that you know me already. You know your friend. She call me and know like she come. Yes Jada.
How are you there? You still in a bed? Where your wife and you come are just in a bed there? I mean, you must walk, go up on the road or something. You're just boring. It's just boring.
Me so come man, me up a Candy right up as I'm in the far. Me a come open the door. Look how girl, stay on the front. No, stay outside me a come.
I say I don't want plum tree at 8 to June plum. I soon come. Alright.
Alright. Me a go over go open the door because she over there. A girl we gone somewhere else, you know, so me a hurry up go over.
Better be careful, Lara.
Yeah man.
Love too much, man. In money, no. I can't bother with him. Alright, look more here.
Yeah man.
Sure, here I'm boring.
Yeah, man. Public report, you know what I mean? Hey, Richard Brown Films, Paradise Nation.
No, back up, can't reach.
Smiley, Smiley. You know we ain't smiling for free, Officer Smiley. What's really going on? When you see me working, there's still gotta be hustling. When you see me
Young girl.
working, you know you gotta pay a fee.
Do you know that it's private property? Huh?
Officer Smiley don't play, no. Officer Smiley, ain't no smile for free.
Let me reintroduce myself to you. My name is Officer Smiley. When I speak to you, because I am the law, I need you to respond to me. I understand that you're rather hungry, eating this so early in the morning. Eh? What is the mission? You can't speak.
Problem you come after dinner, man.
Problem? Why every time you see a police officer you feel like it's problem? Eh?
You can't go see me on the jump pump
Which
tree.
is not your tree.
You don't know if I'm on jump
It is not your tree. You are new on this premises and I can see that.
You don't know if you man feed jump pump tree, my man.
Could never. You understand me? But let me tell you this. I didn't come here to I come here to reason with you. Right? When I say reason, I mean reason with you. You understand? I see you smiling. That's the reason they call me Officer Smiley. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, I was wondering if you could tell me the whereabouts for Candy. Could you tell me the whereabouts for Candy? Because I need to know now. Because that is the place where them used to live. That is the place where them used to live. And I was wondering if you know where she is right now. Because, let me tell you something. You see that house over there? Nobody now go just rent it up. That is owned by Candy. Candy buy the house because I investigated and found out this information. Right?
If you want to hear more about Candy, you have to pay more.
Alright, this is the last house now. You're pushing it, young lady.
3?
Yeah. Because 3 information I want. I want you to tell me where she is. And all these
Information
things.
never give you.
Mhm.
We rent the house and Candy is not here.
I try trick me. Eh? I wonder if she know who she deal with. Eh? Yes, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, officer.
Oh, it's
Something wrong?
No, man, nothing is never wrong when I see you, man.
Nice to
You know, when I see you, it's a pleasure, you know what I mean? And I highly appreciate seeing people like you, especially this time of the day.
Right.
You know what I mean? I don't know, so all is well? Have you been having a wonderful day so far?
Yeah, so far.
So I'm also wondering because you see that place over there? I know that Candy used to live there, you know what I mean? And I wanted to there's an investigation that's been going on before. I don't know if they told you about it.
Somebody dead over there or something?
Nobody not dead, man.
Oh.
Nobody not dead. You know, it's just some money has been missing.
Yeah. She go for you. She said, tell me, say she go for your remedy the other day. Some people went thief some money from her, I'm not sure, but you know me here, she mentioned it. Me feel like the same thing you thought about. So she gonna knock them for 6, anybody thief her money.
Okay. Tell me something. You know where Candy living now? I don't know if you could point me over that direction.
Yes, me have an idea.
You have an idea? Okay, cause I don't know if like you had a hard day today.
Yeah,
And-
man, me have a rough day today.
and a rough day today?
Rough day, officer.
and you wanted to actually cool down.
Yes, man.
You know what I
Go
mean?
and cool down, me I
Yes,
tell you.
it's 1, 2, 3, 4, you know. Because, you know, normally a full hand is 5, right? So, I don't know, you know. Just tell me, 'cause I want to see her, I want to meet her.
God bless you, sir.
Yes, ma'am. So, you know the
You
address?
know this kind of little bit still. Can show you around about this kind of.
No, man, tell me, man. Because I want to talk to her personally. So, if you can just tell me, is which avenue?
I have to say I'm going to put 5 more on this.
5 more?
Yeah, man.
All right. What I can do is I can come by the place. I'm going to go to the ATM machine because you know the police
Oh.
business go already. We only have limited money on us. So just tell me the place.
Yeah, man. Me can direct your way.
Tell me, man.
In our town, I just go up on right street.
Right Street.
Take your left hill.
Mhm.
You see first house that's up on the hill. Right.
Is that big house?
Big orange house.
Big
Three
a big
story.
house.
3 story.
All right, ma'am. You see, that's why I look.
So I love you, you know.
But officer, what just trick me enough for me to get more money for this?
No, man, I'm coming back to the house, man. Don't worry yourself.
Big information me just get.
Yes, man, and I really appreciate it.
Anyway,
alright?
me I hurry up go say my little sister down there because she called me a while ago.
You know, me just here under the tree here, so picking plum.
So what she done now?
I don't know, I said she run off and gone down there.
Jesus, officer,
You know?
thanks for your information.
Yeah, man, thank you very much too, you know. And I will surely see you again, alright? I need to get to Candy.
Yeah, man. Public report, you know what I mean? Hey, Richard Brown Films, Paradise Nation. Officer Smiley, Smiley. You know we ain't smiling for free. Officer Smiley, yeah. What's really going on? When you see me working, there still gotta be hustling. When you see me working, you know you gotta pay a fee. Don't come around my way if you're not willing to pay. Officer Smiley don't play, no. Officer Smiley, Smiley, ain't no smile for free. Officer Smiley.
I can't believe. Candy! Travel hills and valleys. I like your new place.
I want to bring you here, so. How you know me live here, so?
Don't worry about that. I'm a police officer. And being a police officer, my duty is to discover, right? By all means necessary, right? Where you been, Candy?
Where you asking me for?
You
I
must-
don't want to know. What you are asking me for?
I can explain myself. Eh?
Explain yourself.
All right. So I heard that.
You heard that your phone a ring.
Let me see who's calling me. Yes, hello. Well, you know, sir, I'll be returning to that area in about 15 to 10 minutes, because I'm not on the lane. All right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, Chief. Sorry about that, Carl. Don't worry about that. So me I said yes now. Let's get straight down to the matter. Candy, I heard that you went to Haiti to do some guzumu business. Is that true? Because the money that you say is missing, you went to Haiti to do some guzumu and the person that is responsible for it. But at the end of the day, I want to know that the person responsible for it is being locked up in the station we run so. So I want to find out if you find out about the person and if you also get through with the guzumu system that you wanted to create.
Oi. You think that you are a police officer, you can come on my gate, contact to me and tell me foolishness? I'll know me not get where you tell me say. Where you want, where you come about. If me got 80, all that concern you. If me go walk guzu, all that concern you. Me walk guzu find you or your mama? Awa.
I don't think you understand the justice system. And at all costs, we are paid to solve mysteries, to solve crime. And
What's your name again?
My name is Officer Smiley. Let me reintroduce myself, because it looks like you miss me or something. You miss me?
Me no miss you, no. Because from me see I might get me know say a woman you come to look, you know, come to chat about no 80. I remember say me never want you for a long time. You did come on me yard to come lock up my son. What your problem with me going to 80?
No, I just want to find out. It's an investigation, ma'am. If you're doing an investigation, you have to solve it, right? Right now, in your premises that you used to live in, there's a chap, a young, you know what I mean? But at the end of the day, that doesn't concern you. What I'm saying to you is, I just want to find out if you got through in finding out who took the money, and if you got through in doing the guzumu to who took the money.
You see someone a police officer? We love going in a civilian business. We no concern, you know. Whether me go or me no go or me find out who take care of who no take it. All that concern you. Me did come make no report to you.
Yes, you did.
You know,
You don't remember?
A strong feeling. Look here. Officer Smiley. Don't get me on my wrong side, because I will lick you from my gate. You notice me move from out of that area there? Tell you, Officer Smiley, we used to come on my yard, come perplex me, and beg me front. You really have a heart. Are we Sergeant send you up here, Sergeant? Or Lieutenant?
Sergeant Brown. Sergeant Brown send me.
Sergeant Brown, you better go back to him and tell him, say if he know me know. Him come instead of sending you next time, because you see all that they smart they will take me money. Me tell my son big boy, you know. If you tell them say anybody will take me money. For me they lick me pick me so I all want send him a cops like how me send his sister got cops. Boy, anybody will do it. May God help their soul. You know what go happen to them? If their neck no broke, them a go walk like a duck and quack like a fowl. Remember me tell you. Like when fowl they lay egg. Every time the fowl lay the egg, you notice he make nice. I see where this smarty go. So, and if you know anybody, we take it. At the same time, all people say, where you don't know older than you. Me don't go at 80 already. Me don't know everything already. Just leave it. If anything want to happen to this smarty, will take it, make it happen to them. Me don't business. Because I'm not too wicked, you know, sister me and me too pitney them did there. And me send me one second so damn bad and they suffer with me little boy.
So wait. So listen to me. You are telling me that you have accomplished you have accomplished the mission of getting the thing for the person.
Long time that mission.
All right.
Wait, let me talk. Don't make me chat foolishness. A long time I got 80. A long time I borrowed that the money they and go. Me just when they hold me peace until anything will happen to this somebody will take it. Everybody see the salvation. Me just wait and anything will want happen. Because you don't have no right.
I'm a police officer.
In my
right?
son.
Listen to me. I'm a police officer. I want to see. Because son I said right now, I want you to go. Right now, my mission to you is complete. Can you say you don't find out who?
No, I never tell you if me find out or if me not find out. Me never tell you that. You and me and the whole community we there and see what go take place to that the somebody they will take it. No worry yourself.
All right. Miss Candy, let's have a wonderful evening, ma'am. And
me don't want you shake me hand.
All right. That's not
me don't want no blue suit boy shake me hand.
No worry, boy. Have a good day, Miss Candy. It was good to see you this evening. It was good to see you again. You're looking just the same way and even better. I would tell you.
When come at me here, that can hold up my son and go on the quarter they go. Because I don't trust you, you know. I trust you, you know.
All right, Miss Candy.
Yeah, man, public report, you know what I mean? Hey, Richard Brown Films, Paradise Nation, Officer Smiley, Smiley. You know we ain't smiling for free, Officer Smiley, yeah. What's really going on? When you see me working, there still gotta be hustling. When you see me working, you know you gotta pay a fee.